The login form link, when we add it to a menu, is going to create a page that allows the user to log into the site. It'll send them to one page that's got a login form on it. On this page, when we were creating this link, we need to give the menu a title, obviously, and the alias we can fill in ourselves or let the website generate it from the title. We can leave the note here, make ourselves a note if we need to. Here's the link that's going to be generated if we need to link to that from other areas. We can edit the status, we can set the access, the menu location, where we want this link to be, the parent item, the ordering of this item inside the menu. So once we save this, the ordering will become available, and if there's 6 links in this specific menu we're adding the login form link to, we can order that, whether it's first or last or third or what have you. We need to set the target for the link, so when the user clicks on the target, where they go, does it open up another browser window or do they stay on the existing page? This is the default page setting. We want to leave that at no. We want to leave the language on all and template style where it's at. If you have a specific template you wanted to apply to this page, you could do that using that. Then we've got a login redirect. So you want to read these tooltips on this page and take your time to understand these, because you probably only need to go through this once. It's pretty straightforward. So the login redirect is if a URL is entered here, users will be redirected to it after the login. The URL must not be an external one. So when someone logs in, you need to send them to another page within your website. Then there's the login description. You're going to show or hide the login description, and then here's the login description text, and you can also put an image to display on the login page. This is going to generate an actual web page that renders, and so here's the description, and then here's the image that would show up on that page. And then you've got the log out redirect. So here's when they log out, users will be directed to it after they log out. This URL must not be an external one as well, so we need to send them to another logged out page. And there's logout text as well. You can show or hide logout description and then put in that text here, and then the image. You've got link type options. So you've got link title attributes, again link style. You can apply a style to these links, put an image on the page, add the menu title. Make sure you read these tooltips so you understand what they are. This is going to generate, again, a dynamically built page, so we need to give it a custom page title. You can choose to give it a page heading. It's going to be the H1 tag on the page. If we do so, if we tick yes, so we can put our page heading in down here under page heading, and that'll be the H1 tag on the page. And then we can assign a class, an optional class, to add any elements to this page. And we can do custom styling to the page. We need to go put the new class, CSS class, in the template.css file and then reference it here. Again, it being a dynamically built page, we need to give it a custom meta description along with keywords. We can edit the robot text file for this page. If we don't want spiders to scrape it, we can just put no index, no follow, and that will effectively make it an invisible page on the internet. We need to, are we dealing with SSL or not? If we aren't, leave it at secure. If you are, then you need to turn that on perhaps. Check with your webmaster on that. Fusion menu and split menu options are not Joomla defaults, so we're going to ignore those for now. The module assignment for this menu means you can assign this this menu item to multiple modules. So in this case, we're just going to leave it blank. We're going to assign it to one main menu and leave it there. And up at the top, we've got save, save close, and save and new. And again, when you're doing this, this is going to create a page. When they click on this login form link, we had one that said login here, and that was the title in the menu, the drop-down menu. And they click on that link, it's going to open up a page that has a form that they can simply log into on your website. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks.